the reason that I invested in China is I could get so much better companies at so much lower prices, and I was willing to take a little political risk to get into the better companies at the lower prices. Other people might reach the opposite conclusion, and everybody is more worried about China now than they were 2 or 3 years ago.
So this is the reason I bought Chinese equities, because as Charlie Munger stated earlier, that is really where the value is. On my Momo position, I get a 9% yield on principal. I'm not aware of very many American equities that yield 9% that get anywhere close to the returns that Momo gets, or the profit, the income from operations and dividends and whatever else. And that's the reason I bought that stock. So I'm talking about, well, it's not investment advice, so it's not investment advice. But on this channel, I talk about real investing. I mean, this is 5 stocks from my entire portfolio, one of whom is 44%. So I don't really know how I could be doing any more real investing than that. It's extremely concentrated. It's a 5-stock portfolio. One stock's 44% of the portfolio. That's extremely concentrated. I get 9% dividend yield on Momo, which is 44% of the portfolio. The other ones yield, I think, like 5.5 or something, 5.5% or something like that. Finvolution or Joy or whatever. So that's basically what the portfolio is, and that's what I'm doing. Reason I went to China is like exactly what Charlie says, that's where the value is. So I was forced to go there. I wasn't forced, but that's where the value was. So we'll see what happens. As of yet, there's been no massive changes that I'm aware of in the Chinese economy, and it seems like they're not really trying to open up 100%, but they did with Alibaba, it seems like. But we'll see what happens continually.